Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy recipe on how to make barbecue shrimp. Now it's getting warm outside and a lot of people will be using the grill and cooking a lot of pork and beef and different things, but this is a quick, easy seafood recipe and a lot of people aren't familiar with barbecue shrimp. So let me tell you what ingredients I have. I'm only using 1 pound of shrimp because those of you who know me, it's just for me. But normally this would be 2, 3, or 4 pounds that you would be using. I have fresh garlic, you guys, this time. I'm gonna grate it. Some Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna make this sweet and spicy. So that is sweet chili. I'm gonna use Lawry's it's cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna use some Tony's Creole seasoning, a little bit of Old Bay, a bay leaf, some black pepper, and a lemon. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up for you guys, and the misnomer is this is not barbecued in the style of dripping sauce or something you put on a grill, be it charcoal or a gas grill. This is barbecue flavored shrimp. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, get set up, show you how to make this. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, I aligned my shrimp in the pan kind of pretty in a design so they would look nice. Now, my disclaimer, if you're doing 3-4 pounds of shrimp, you're going to have to stir them if you're going to do them in the oven. And I was going to tell you, also let me tell you that you can do this in the oven. I have my oven on 400 degrees and it is all set up to temp. Or you can put this right on the barbecue grill. You just get a bigger metal pan. That's the beauty of this. If you have guests coming over for the holidays, or you're having barbecue and you want some seafood or seafood dish, this is an easy, great one to barbecue shrimp. So I'm just showing you how I'm grating fresh garlic with the garlic grater. I'm using about 3 or 4 cloves. They're pretty small. And I've already put the lemon inside the pan, so I've kind of arranged them kind of nice. So and I got my lemon. I forgot to tell you, you gotta have lemon juice. I've already got that all squeezed and ready to go. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and then we can go ahead and get this in the oven. Okay everyone, I've got my eye on it. It's just about a stick of butter, and it's softened room temperature, not that that's important, but that just happens to be just adding everything in here. Now I'm using sweet chili. If you don't want to do sweet, then just use plain chili where it's spicy. It'll be totally spicy. This is more of a sweet and spicy barbecue shrimp recipe. And now I'm gonna turn the eye down. I'm gonna pull it off the eye. And this is 1 teaspoon of the Tabasco cayenne Lawry's pepper. This is 1 tablespoon Worcestershire. Now this is 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning. That's why I chose to use the sweet to tone it down a little bit. And this is a teaspoon of Old Bay. I'm going to add the lemon. That's 4 tablespoons of lemon. And that's like 2 or 3 small garlic cloves that I've added in here. So what I'm doing now is just melting the butter. Oh yeah, and I have basically it's 1 bay leaf. It ended up just breaking, so it's like, we'll call it 1 bay leaf, but it's technically 2. So I'm just warming this up to melt the butter. I'm going to pour this on top of the shrimp before I put it in the oven. And I just want to let you guys know, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I upload 2 videos a week, sometimes 3. I always provide an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke at the end. And I just thought this recipe, something cool. Like I said, a lot of people coming over and you want something a little bit fancy, and you got the grill going. You can just, put these in a big, huge pan, buy a bunch of shrimp, season it up like this, and put it in the oven. And like I said, if you're doing 3 or 4 pounds of shrimp, I go 30 minutes, and I would definitely stir them every 10 or 15. But mine are basically in a single layer. I'll show you when I take the pictures. I'm going to put you guys on pause. I want this garlic to cook a little bit because, like I said, shrimp only takes a few minutes in the oven, and I don't want it really raw garlic. So I'll put you on pause. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I've got the butter melted, so I'm just going to pour this mixture over all the shrimp. And this is barbecue shrimp, guys. It's not traditional. Like I said, when people, mostly when they hear barbecue, they're thinking of drippy sauce, the grill, some kind of barbecue sauce hanging off of it. But with this you just, and these are shell on. This is peel and eat. all you need is some crusty bread. If there's any left, you can like make a salad, or as they do in New Orleans, make a po' boy as they call them. Something I don't like is we put shrimp on bread and make some kind of sandwich. And I'm going to use some fresh cracked black pepper on top. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven, 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, and the shrimp shouldn't take very long, and then I'm going to pull the bay leaves out, and we'll check on them in a few minutes. So let me put you guys on pause, I'll be right back. Okay everyone, they're in the oven, 400 degrees. We'll check on them in about 15 minutes. It shouldn't take long uncovered, so stay with me, I got a great joke for you guys. Okay everyone, this took exactly 15 minutes. Go ahead and take them out and let you see them. Good. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and get set up with some pictures and tell you guys my joke. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You guys are really going to love this. These are leftover shrimp. Like I said, you can peel them off and put them in a salad or nibble on them as a snack. So let me turn this around and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, it's all done. Barbecue shrimp took about 15 minutes. It's kind of like a sweet and spicy barbecue shrimp because I use the sweet chili. If you just want it spicy, just use regular chili. So let me tell you my joke. Last night my friends and I went to a ladies nightclub. One of the girls wanted to impress the rest of us, so she pulled out a $10 bill. When the male dancer came over to us, my friend licked the $10 bill and stuck it to his butt cheek. Not to be outdone, another friend pulls out a $20 bill. She called the guy back over, licks the 20 and sticks it to his other butt cheek. In another attempt to impress the rest of us, the third friend pulls out a $50 bill and calls the guy over and licks it and sticks the bill on his butt cheek again. She said, I'm worried about the way things are going, but fortunately, she just stuck it to one of his butt cheeks again. My relief short-lived. Seeing the way things are going, the guy gyrates over to me. Now everyone's attention is focused on me, and the guy is egging me on to try and top that 50. My brain's churning as I reached for my wallet. What could I do? The woman in me took over. I got out my ATM card, swiped it down the crack of his butt, grabbed the $80 and went home. Smart woman. Okay, hope you like my joke. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. As I've said 30 times, but like I said, you got to give this a try. It's really good. And where you get most of the seasoning is when you peel the skin off the shrimp, the shells off of the scales. The sauce is on your fingers, and you lick your fingers and you bite the shrimp, and some of it is soaked in between the shells. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless, and hope to see you on the next one.